How to start an online business. Starting an online business can be an exciting and rewarding experience. With the rise of e-commerce and digital marketing, more and more people are turning to online businesses as a way to pursue their entrepreneurial dreams. However, starting an online business requires careful planning and execution. In this article, we will discuss how to start an online business and achieve success. Your entrepreneurial dreams. However, starting an online business requires careful planning and execution. In this article, we will discuss how to start an online business and achieve success. Identify your niche. The first step in starting an online business is to identify your niche. This is the area in which you will specialize and offer products or services. Your niche should be something that you are passionate about and have expertise in. To identify your niche, you can conduct market research and analyze your competitors. Look for areas where there is a gap in the market or an unmet need. This can help you to identify a unique selling proposition and differentiate yourself from the competition. Develop your business plan. Developing a business plan is essential for starting an online business. A business plan outlines your goals, strategies, and financial projections for the business. When developing a business plan, you should identify your target market, the products or services that you will offer, your marketing strategies, and your financial projections. Your business plan should also include a contingency plan for unexpected events, such as changes in the market or unexpected expenses. Also include a contingency plan for unexpected events, such as changes in the market or unexpected expenses. Choose your business model. There are several business models to choose from when starting an online business. The most common models are e-commerce, subscription-based, and affiliate marketing. E-commerce involves selling physical or digital products online. Subscription-based businesses offer products or services on a recurring basis, such as a monthly subscription. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other companies' products and earning a commission on sales. When choosing your business model, consider your niche, target market, and the products or services that you will offer. Build your website. Building a website is essential for starting an online business. Your website is the face of your business and serves as a platform for selling your products or services. When building your website, consider the design, layout, and functionality. Your website should be easy to navigate and optimized for mobile devices. It should also include clear calls to action and secure payment gateway. Develop your marketing strategy. Developing a marketing strategy is essential for promoting